Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to delete items in Podio. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever found yourself with a Podio item that you no longer need? Maybe you made a mistake when you created it, or maybe it's just no longer relevant to your work. So you're not alone. Deleting items in Podio can be a bit confusing, especially if you're not sure what you're doing. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you two different ways to delete items in Podio. Method 1. Delete an item from the items page. This is the most straightforward way to delete an item in Podio. Go to the items page. Click on the More menu. Select Delete. Confirm that you want to delete the item. Method 2. Delete multiple items at once. This method is more efficient if you need to delete multiple items at once. Go to the workspace where the items you want to delete are located. Click on the Filter button. Create a filter that matches the items you want to delete. Click on the Select All button. Click on the More menu. Select Delete. Confirm that you want to delete the selected items. Additional tips. You can also delete items by using the Podio API. If you delete an item by mistake, you can restore it from the trash bin. I hope this video has helped you learn how to delete items in Podio. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Podio tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching this video on how to delete items in Podio. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Podio tips and tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.